Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set up active deterrence and one-click disarming. Stay with us. Disarm the alarms easily with just one click on your smartphone. Adding the AD camera to your NVR system. Setting up line crossing detection on the camera to enable active deterrence with audio and visual alerts. Using the app, go to Device Settings, Remote Configuration, Disarming. Click One-Click Disarm to deactivate, and click again to reactivate. Select Custom Disarming with options for once or by schedule. If selecting once, set a specific time for a one-time disarm plan. In Disarm Linkage Action, customize which NVR actions to disarm, such as buzzer, deter, send email. Select Sync to Camera to specify which cameras to synchronize disarm settings. For regular needs, choose by schedule to set up a recurring disarm schedule. In Disarm Linkage Action, customize which NVR actions to disarm, such as buzzer, deter, send email. Select Sync to Camera to specify which cameras to synchronize disarm settings. Apart from the app, you can also arm or disarm directly through the NVR, with 3 modes available. The custom disarming settings content is the same as the Homaxi app. Alternatively, manage your security settings via the video management system. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.